If you have a Windows PC, can you get AirDrop on a PC? Although AirDrop cannot be used directly for file transfers between an iPhone and a PC, the following methods can help you achieve similar results. Method 1. How to AirDrop to computer using Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Step 1. Download and install the software on your PC. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable and trust the computer on your iPhone. When connected, it will display your iPhone information on the home interface. Step 2. Choose the data type you want to transfer on the left side, for instance, photos. Preview the thumbnails on the right side and tick off the desired images. Next, press the Export button on the top to save them to your PC. To back up your entire iPhone, go to the Super Toolkit section and select iTunes Backup and Restore. Click Backup and choose your iPhone from the drop-down menu. Next, click Browse to select a folder on your computer to save the backup. Finally, click OK to start the backup process. Method 2. How to AirDrop to Windows 10 11s using iTunes. Apple provides iTunes file sharing to help you AirDrop to Windows 11 10s. Note: you can use iTunes file sharing to sync documents created by Numbers, Keynotes, Pages, or other apps that support file sharing. Step 1. Install and launch the latest version of iTunes on your Windows PC. Step 2. Plug your iPhone into the computer via a USB cable and tap the iPhone icon when it appears at the top left of the iTunes window. Step 3. Click File Sharing on the left panel. Choose the file you want to transfer and tap the Save button at the lower right corner. Step 4. Define a location on your computer to store files and hit Apply. Method 3. How to AirDrop to laptop via iCloud. Please note that cloud storage services may not support all iPhone data, and the storage space is limited. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID at the top, then select iCloud. Tap Photos and enable iCloud Photos to upload your photos to iCloud. Step 2. Open www.icloud.com in your PC browser and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Click on the Photos icon to access your iCloud photos. Step 4. Select the photos you want to download, then click the Download button, a cloud icon with an arrow in the top right corner to save the selected photos to your PC. Method 4. How to AirDrop from iPhone to PC with Snapdrop. If you are looking for an AirDrop clone app, look at Snapdrop. This web-based app imitates AirDrop and allows you to sync everything from an iPhone to a PC over the same local network. Step 1. Connect your iPhone and the PC to the same Wi-Fi network and pen snapdrop.net on both devices. Step 2. Tap your computer's nickname on your iPhone and select the files you want to share. Step 3. Tap Save to accept the files on your computer.